Land Ho Adventures, a family of 4 living in the Cayman Islands, sharing our journey of adventure, exploration, and simple living. In our last episode, we ventured out to 7 Mile Beach, brought you along as we checked out the weigh-in of the fishing tournament, and harvested some coconuts in our backyard. This week, we've finally received the big item we've been waiting on, and we're back to our DIY loft bed project that we postponed for a few months. All right, guys, we're here today, and the idea is to finish our DIY loft bed project. The porch has been cluttered with this material for the past month or two, and today is the day. We have all the wood cut, and we are going to go ahead and paint it all up today. So we're going to paint it all up, we're going to get it to dry, and hopefully by the end of the week, we'll have it put back together and put back into the bedroom.
Important, the big thing, and it has a liner. Remember the liners that we bought, the white ones? Well, I thought we'd make a bed. We're going to cut all this wood up, which we already did, and then we're going to wipe it down. Then we're going to paint it, and then we'll reassemble it.
When do you think we'll actually have the bed back in the bedroom?
Bedroom. By Saturday next week.
This time next week.
Yep.
My job is to get all the paint ready and get the rollers ready.
It is a beautiful day today, and we've moved the bed outside of the porch finally, and this I'm very excited about because it has been on the porch for over a month, and I'm ready for our porch to be a relaxing space once again. So I'm looking forward to that. We're going to paint all of the wood that we've cut for this bed. Well, I say we, I mean my husband and my kids. I haven't cut any of the wood. I've just come out to the garden to check on my Jamaican apple tree, and look what I just found. I'm so excited. Look, they're little buds. We're going to get more apples. I can't believe this. If you're not sure what a Jamaican apple looks like, check the reel I've linked above. I'm still waiting on the ackee tree. It's going to bloom here soon. Well, it is blooming, but I'm waiting on the fruit. This tree is huge. And then we're going to have to cut it back for hurricane season because it is just a beast, and it will break if we don't cut it. The winds get too strong when the storms come through. Back over at the project, we're starting to lose a little steam. We couldn't have picked a better day for this. The sky is blue, the wind is blowing, and it's not too hot. But as the clock clicks on, the day is getting warmer by the minute. We worked on River's loft bed back in December, so it was much cooler that time of the year. But this time around, we know what we're doing, so it's a little bit easier. We got an all-in-one paint. So if you didn't see our previous reels, this was a regular bunk bed. This was a bed up on top, a bed on the bottom, and then we had a third bed underneath that. But the kids wanted 2 loft beds, so what we did was we've cut the bed. We've taken the bunk bed and split it in half, and now we're building 2 loft beds. River's got his last board for his loft bed there. He's turning that. What is that going to be, a shelf, River?
Yep.
Just wondering if you would do this project again.
Did I? Yeah. It was super nice to start with the bed already made and just be able to add to it. Having to make the whole frame from the beginning would have been a lot
more work. Well, I guess I better put the camera down and get to painting. 2 of paint.
We have another bucket over there.
It's our second load.
So right now, Mom and River are painting the ladder and the other pieces of the wood. And Connor is painting the trim and the shelves right now.
Well, guys, we're getting it done. We're almost there. I think that it's in about 20 or 30 minutes. We're almost there. We're getting it done, and we're going to move on to the next step, putting it back together.
Connor and River are doing the touch-ups on the wood, and Danielle is just looking around and painting the areas where she thinks that we need to have more paint. Connor, how is the painting for the wood?
Going pretty well. We're basically on second coat for things. And it's drying really quick because we have this nice weather and it's not too hot out here.
Okay, so right now we are painting that board there, and we were painting a bigger board, but the edges were too sharp, so we're gonna route it. What do you have to say, Mom?
I'm ready to be done.
Me too.
Daddy decided that we're going to paint some more white boards. I think he just wants them painted.
Yeah, that's what I say too.
It was a well-earned lunch break. Time for some homemade grilled cheese sandwiches made by Chef Cameron. Taking a little break for lunch. Fresh grilled cheese sandwiches. You got it. Keep trying. Well done. Shortly after lunch, it was time to head on outside for a bit of recess, some barefoot time in the grass, and out in nature. Now that all the paint has dried, it was time for our final step of the painting process today, and that was putting the clear coat on. And just like that, the bed was cleaned, painted, clear coated, and back on the porch, waiting for assembly into the bedroom.
The big moment of truth. You guys are going to have the first look. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What is it, Cameron?
3D. It's our 3D printer.
What kind?
We bought the P1 with 4 colors. Pull up.
What?
I didn't know, but it came with 3 more filaments in the box. Let's see. We got green in this one. We got white in this one. And another orange in this one.
Cameron is super excited. He's been wanting this 3D printer for some time now. He's been saving his birthday money and his chore money up to buy this.
Locked and loaded.
We are so proud of him, and he is quite the entrepreneur. We cannot wait to see what he creates.
The big reveal. Pretty good for the first print.
In our next episode, we'll put together the DIY loft bed and hopefully get it back into the bedroom. Well, folks, that's it for this week's episode. Thanks for watching. A like or a comment is very much appreciated. See you next week. Cheers!